going to find determine the h of z by using the impulse invariance method with t is equal to 1 seconds. So for h of s is equal to 2 divided by 1 s plus 1. So into s plus 2 we are taking the partial fractions. H of s is equal to 2 divided by s plus 1 s plus 2. So we are taking as a divided by s plus 1 b divided by s plus 2. On the left hand side it is 2 divided by s plus 1 into s plus 2. So cross multiplying a into s plus 2 plus b into s plus 1, cross multiplying and division on both the sides, cancelling out the denominators, and substitute s is equal to minus 2. So substituting s is equal to minus 2, a equal to 0, so b is equal to minus 1. And for substituting s is equal to 1, so you will get a equal to 2. Substituting the a and b values, 2 divided by s plus 1 and minus 2 divided by s plus 2. So next you have to equate the poles. Plus 1 it is minus 1 into minus 1, and 2 it is minus 2 is of minus 2 into minus 2. So for finding the binary transformation, h of z is impulse invariance, summation of k is equal to 1 to n ck divided by 1 minus pk into t into z inverse. So here the s minus of thing, it is the pk's. So we have pk's, p of 1 is equal to minus 1, p2 is equal to minus 2. So ck's, it is c1 is equal to 2 and c2 is equal to minus 2. So it is a summation of things, right? So we are writing in c1 and c2, p1 and p2. So which is equal to c2 2 divided by 1 minus e power of minus 1, p1 it is e power of minus 1, t value it is 1 into z power minus 1, minus 2 divided by 1 minus e power of minus 2 into 1 into z power minus 1. So which is equal to 2 divided by 1 minus e power minus 1 into z power minus 1 minus 2 divided by 1 minus e power minus 2 into z power minus 1. The value of e power 1 we have to substitute. 2 divided by 1 minus e power 1 value, find it in e power minus 1 value, calci 0.367 z inverse minus 2 divided by e power minus 2 value, it is 0.135 z power minus 1. Then you cross multiply all those things. 2 into 1 minus 0.135 z inverse minus 2 into 1 minus 0.367 z inverse divided by, multiply the denominator values, 1 minus 0.367 z inverse into 1 minus 0.35 z inverse. Then you have to multiply 1 into 2, 1 into 0 point thing like this. Next to denominator values you have to multiply. So on multiplying all those values and subtracting the values, you get 0.465 z inverse divided by 1 plus 0.53 z power minus 1 plus 0.049 z power minus 2. So you have to substitute like this, 2 into 1, 2 into this is the power 1, 2 into 1, 2 into 0.3 like this. So after substituting, you take the real part and z part and find the values, and here also like this. So this is final h of z value.